Hi, this video is going to focus on color correcting an image. So first of all, you can bring in your image. You can see this one is heavily overexposed, so there's too much light captured in the process of the photo, and so the sky and several areas have been blown out to a bit too light. So a quick easy way is just going to image, auto tone, auto contrast, auto color. However, it's still not capturing the image as best as it can be. So I'll just undo those sections. And so this image and this image is exactly the same image. This one here is just obviously underexposed, so not enough light getting into the camera. And so to correct this, it's best to do it at the camera from when you're taking the photo. Photoshop can only do so much. And so understanding the histograms is really important. On the back of your settings, you should be able, especially in SLA, you should be able to find the histogram. So anything on the left-hand side, that's the dark area, so that's 0. Anything on the right-hand side is 255, and that's white, so really, really light. So preferably you want a histogram that's more like a nice, clean, natural mountain, rather than one that's really jagged either sort of end of it. To rectify this, obviously change your ISO, your f-stop, so your aperture, or your shutter speed to correct it. Another really good program to use is Lightroom to make these corrections. So I might use this image, and yes, I've undone that. I'm going to go to image, I'm going to go to adjustments. You can use sort of any of these, but for this video I'm going to look at levels. It's a really good starting one. So anything over here, that's going to be what's black. So you can see it's getting darker, and you can hold down Alt, and that will then identify what's going to be clipped out. Okay, and then you can release Alt, and that's just going to go through and darken. Anything on the right hand side, you can do the same thing and hold Alt, and that's going to make it lighter. Obviously this image doesn't need to be any lighter. And then the middle one is your mid-tone, your mid-tones, so shadows and highlights, your mid-tones, and you're going to be able to go through and correct it to how you want it to be. And then I'm just going to go OK, and that's looking at the levels. Thanks.